If you want to set a custom ringtone on Redmi A7 Pro, first of all we can open settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to sound and vibration. After that we're gonna go to the ringtone option. You will open the themes app with the ringtone category selected, and of course you can actually use this app in order to try to find a song, whatever that you wish to set. So here we have a couple of examples. You can tap on any of them in order to have a little preview, and then you can use this bell in order to actually get the ringtone and set it up. But if you have your own ringtone that you wish to set on this phone, if you have an audio file on your phone, then you can go to choose local ringtone. Then in here you can, for example, select audio files, grant all the necessary permissions, and then over here we have, of course, our audio files, so you can select the ringtone that you wish to set. In case you go back to the selection of apps or categories, you just want to repeat that until you are redirected to the list of ringtones, where you should be able to find your selected ringtone at the list of your ringtones over here. So we can tap on apply and confirm that you want to do that, and that should be pretty much all. But in case you had once again to grant certain permissions and there is no icon on the ringtone, then you might want to tap on the apply button again. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.